I am the headmaster of MDP Model High School, Pakundia, Kishirgonj. Dear learners, I hope you are well. I am also well. In last class, I discussed the definition of boys, classification of boys, the definition of active boys and passive boys. I discussed some basic rules changing into active to passive and some examples depending on different kinds of tense. Now I shall discuss the negative sentence of active voice. Dear learners, look at the whiteboard. I have written here a negative sentence. The negative sentence is I do not know him. If the active voice is negative, at first you have to write the object of active voice plus the auxiliary verb of according to tense plus not plus past participle of principal verb plus as a preposition by, to, at, with, etc. plus the objective form of active voice, the objective form of the subject. Dear learners, look at the answer. Here, him is objective form. Now we have to write the subjective form of him. He plus as auxiliary verb is because the sentence is present indefinite tense. He is plus not plus the first participle of no. No. He is not known plus to as a preposition. To plus objective form of I. He is known to me. Dear learners, I hope you have understand the negative voice. Now let's discuss another example. He has not done the work. Can anyone tell the answer? Yes, the answer will be the work plus auxiliary verb has not been plus by as a preposition plus the objective form of subject he. The work has not been by, the work has not been done by the objective form of him. Dear learners, I hope already I have understood you the negative sentence. Dear learners, now I am discussing indefinite sentence. Dear learners, if the active voice is interrogative, how shall we change into passive? Dear learners, I have written here an example. Am I teaching you English? This is a interrogative sentence. how shall we change the interrogative voice into passive voice, dear learners? At first, we have to write auxiliary voice according to tense. Then plus the object of active voice, dear learners. In this example, there are two objects, you and English. If any kind of sentence there are two objects, you may select any one object, dear learners. Am I teaching you English? Is plus English. Is English being plus main plus first participle of main verb teaching. The first participle of teaching, teach, will be taught. Is English being taught? Plus remaining object. What is remaining object? Dear learners, remaining object is here you plus by as a preposition. Is English being taught you by plus objective form of I. Is English being taught by you, by me? Dear learners, I hope understand the sentence. Can anyone tell this? Can anyone answer this example? Did you do the work? It is an interrogative sentence. It is active voice. What will be the answer of this? Active voice. Yes, the answer will be was the work done by you? Thank you very much. Was the work done by you? Dear learners, did you do the work? এই সেন্টেন্সটি ফার্স্ট ডিগ্রি টেন্সে অ্যাক্টিভ ভয়েস। এই সেন্টেন্সটি হলো কি ইন্টারগেটিভ সেন্টেন্স। দ্য আনসার হবে was the work done by you? Thank you very much. Dear learners, if any interrogative sentence there is relative there is the interrogative pronoun who, whom. There is the interrogative pronoun who, whom. How we change the sentence into passive? If any kind of interrogative sentence there is who, you have to write by whom. You have to write by whom. If any kind of sentence whom, at the change of into passive voice, you have to write who. অর্থাৎ কোন ইন্টারগেটিভ সেন্টেন্সে যদি ইন্টারগেটিভ প্রনাউন হিসাবে হু ব্যবহৃত হয় তখন তোমাকে পরিবর্তনের সময় বসাতে হবে কি হু এর পরিবর্তে বাই হোম। আর যদি কোন ইন্টারগেটিভ সেন্টেন্সে হোম থাকে তাহলে এর পরিবর্তে তোমাকে বসাতে হবে হু। Dear learners, let's discuss the answer. Who called you? In this sentence there is an interrogative pronoun who. What will be the answer? Can anyone Tell the answer. Yes. The answer will be by whom plus auxiliary verb according to tense. By whom was. Why have I written here was? Because this sentence is past indefinite tense. So I have written here auxiliary verb was. তাহলে by whom was plus মূল ভার্বের past participle. By whom was called. By whom was called you. Thank you very much. Let's see another example. Whom do you want? Whom do you want? In this sentence also an interrogative pronoun whom. What will be the answer? Can anyone? Can anyone answer? Whom do you want? Yes, the answer will be who plus auxiliary verb according to tense. What will be the auxiliary verb? Yes, is. Who is plus first participle of main verb. Do, did, done. Who is, sorry, in this sentence, what is main verb? Who is wanted? Who is wanted plus by as a preposition. By plus you. Who is wanted by you? It is answer. Let's see another example. What do you want? Dear learners, if any kind of interrogative sentence, interrogative pronoun, which, what, whose, যদি কোনো সেন্টেন্সে ইন্টারগেটিভ প্রনাউন হু এবং হোম ব্যতীত অন্য কোনো ইন্টারগেটিভ প্রনাউন থাকে, যেমন হোয়াট, হোয়েন, হাউ, হোয়ার, হোয়াই এটসেট্রা থাকে, তাহলে সেগুলো কোনো পরিবর্তন হবে না। ইন দিস সেন্টেন্স দেয়ার ইজ অ্যান ইন্টারগেটিভ প্রনাউন হোয়াট। ক্যান ইউ টেল দ্য আনসার? Yes, the answer will be what. What plus auxiliary verb according to tense. What is, why I have written here is. Can anyone answer? Yes, this sentence is present indefinite tense. The auxiliary verb will be is, so I have written here is. What is plus past participle of main verb wanted. What is wanted? What is wanted plus by plus object you. What is wanted by you? Good. Dear learners, if the active voice is imperfect sentence, at the change of into passive, at first you have to write let plus the object of active voice. Here the object is the work. Let the work plus be plus the first participle of the main verb. Here the main verb is do. Let the work be done. Dear learners, I hope you have understood the important sentence. Do the work. The answer will be Let the work be done. Let's see another example. Don't write the letter. There is something difference between the two sentences. Do the sum. Don't write the letter. This sentence is negative sentence of imperative sentence. What will be the answer? The negative sentence. Dear learners, at first you have to write let. If the sentence is negative, you have to write the negative word after let. Let not plus the object of active voice. Let not the letter be written. Don't write the letter. পত্রটি লিখিও না. The answer will be let not the letter be written. I hope you have understood that. Example. I am writing here another negative sentence. Never tell a lie. Can anyone tell the answer? Yes. The answer will be let plus object. Let a lie plus B. Let a lie. Let never. At first you have to write let plus negative word never. Let never plus object a lie. Let never a lie plus B plus the first participle of main verb. Tell. Let never a lie be told. Dear learners, here I have written another example. This sentence is also imperative sentence, but this sentence is different from the above two sentences. Do the work. Don't write the letter. Never tell a lie. In this sentence, the active voice, beginning the active voice let. If the active voice beginning let, you have to write. At first, you have to write let. Let plus the object of active voice. Let the word plus B. Let the word be plus done. Let the word be done plus by as a preposition. In this sentence, him is subject. Let the work be done by him. Dear learners, I hope you have practiced the topics what I have discussed today's class. Thank you very much.